Hello everyone! What do you usually do when a drill bit becomes dull? Do you throw it away and spend money on a new one? Or try to sharpen it and keep using it? Today, this video shows a clear and practical way to sharpen a drill bit the right way. The steps stay simple and easy to follow. With careful control and basic tools, the drill bit regains a sharp edge and works like new again. Move to the workbench and prepare a simple wooden guide. Take a long piece of wood and lay it flat. Use a square ruler and mark 2 points that form a 60-degree angle from one edge. Draw a straight line connecting those points. Clamp the wood into a vise and use a handsaw to cut along the marked line. Work slowly and keep the cut straight. This angled face will help control the drill bit position during sharpening. After cutting the angle, clamp the wood upright in the vise. On the center of the angled face, cut a shallow groove running lengthwise. This groove helps hold the drill bit steady and prevents rolling. Use sandpaper to smooth the cut surfaces and the groove. A smooth surface allows better control and reduces vibration while sharpening. If you have ever repaired something instead of replacing it, drop your method in the comments and explain what worked. After sanding, set the drill bit into the groove and slide it back and forth. It moves smoothly without catching. Run your fingers along the cut edge. The surface feels clean, with no sharp burrs left behind. Secure the angle grinder horizontally in the vise so it stays stable. Set the drill bit into the groove on the wooden guide and hold it firmly. Slowly bring the tip closer to the grinding wheel. Turn the grinder on and begin sharpening with light, controlled contact. Keep the movement steady so the edge grinds evenly without overheating. Use light pressure and steady movement. Let the wheel remove material gradually. Do not force the bit. Excess pressure overheats the metal and damages the cutting edge. Keep the motion slow and controlled so the shape stays clean. After sharpening the first side, rotate the drill bit slightly and repeat the same process on the other cutting edge. Keep both sides as even as possible. After sharpening, the drill bit already looks perfect again. The tip looks sharp, clean, and well-shaped, ready to bite into metal. Now check the drill bit shape more carefully. Take 2 hex nuts and stack them together to form a 120-degree reference angle. Place the drill bit between them and look closely at the fit. The tip sits snug with no visible gap, which shows the main cutting angles match correctly. However, the spiral flute still looks uneven. Mark the area that needs correction so the adjustment stays controlled. Move back to the grinder and work only on the inner face of the flute. Do not touch the outer edge of the drill bit. Keep the original spiral path unchanged. Use very light contact and let the wheel just clean and open the groove. Avoid grinding deep. The goal is to clear the flute and improve chip flow, not reshape the bit. Small. Careful touches here improve cutting performance and help the drill bit stay centered during use. The drill bit now shows a clean, balanced shape with a sharp 120-degree tip. The spiral flutes look even and clear, allowing chips to flow smoothly and helping the bit cut straight and efficiently during drilling. Reinstall the sharpened drill bit into the drill. Bring the steel bar back to the bench. Hold it steady and begin drilling again. This time, the bit bites immediately. The drill pulls itself into the metal, and a clean hole forms without slipping. The cutting feels smooth and controlled. This confirms the sharpening worked. Sharpening a drill bit at home saves time and money. If this repair helped you, press like so others can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more hands-on DIY fixes you can use at home or in the garage. Leave a comment and share which tool you want to restore next.